Hey guys, so we are wanting to show you a unbagging video of our really awesome swag bag that we got from when we went to Wella's Trend Vision, the North American Trend Vision Awards 2018 in Las Vegas. And we got this really awesome swag bag with a ton of really cool stuff inside. So we kind of wanted to give you a sneak peek at some really cool products. So first things first, we're going to show off the big one. So quickly becoming one of our new favorite brands is GHD, which is Good Hair Day. And we got this really incredible brush from GHD. And it's a really awesome paddle brush. Give you guys a quick look there. The thing that I super love about this is that a lot of times paddle brushes that I get, they can be really lightweight, they can be kind of not super sturdy feeling, and this brush is absolutely incredible. It has a little bit of a weight to it, which I personally like when I'm doing hair, but the paddle is really solid and the bristles are really nice. You can tell that they're brand new, but it's also really soft, and you can see I've already used it a little bit, a couple pieces of hair in there, but this is really awesome. I also like the fun little end, has a little, their signature on it, but it's really cool. It also has this matte finish, but it has a grip to it. So right off the bat, super love this. Thank you, GHD. Again, quickly becoming one of our favorite brands. Every time that we either get to meet someone from GHD or we get to sit in on education or kind of am told any product knowledge or things like that, I feel like I learn so much. And so if you guys do not know GHD or you have not checked them out yet, go give them a follow, try their products. They're actually really, really incredible. And definitely you can learn some really cool things from not only their educators, but the product line in general. So super excited. Thank you. New paddle brush, always really fun. So next thing, I'm gonna do the next big one that's in here from OPI. Take a look at it. There are 4 different polishes in here, 2 colors, a primer, and a gloss on top. And they come in the colors Princess's Rule and Strawberry Margarita. I kind of wish that I would have done my nails, but give you guys a quick look at that. Really fun. It's kind of nice to actually have smaller size nail polishes. I personally don't do my nails very often, so the smaller bottles I seem to actually be able to use without them going bad really quickly. So this is really fun. And OPI, who doesn't love OPI polishes? Their formulas are super great, especially their top coats. Their glosses, I feel, really give it that nice high shine. So this is really nice, and I've been actually needing a new top coat, so super excited about that one. And then going into some of the smaller things that are in here, we'll start off with the Sebastian Dark Oil. The smell is my absolute favorite part of this. It's not too feminine of a smell, it's actually a little bit masculine, which I like in an oil, but really awesome. And I've gotten to use this before, and if you guys have never used the Sebastian Dark Oil, I highly recommend picking one of these up and just giving it a try. Not all oils are created equally, and I used to think that, and so this has quickly become one of those that I love to keep on hand. So when I travel or when I do things like that and I need just a little shine on my ends, this is definitely an incredible product. So highly recommend, give it a try. Not all oils are created equally. This one is a great one, so thank you, Sebastian. Definitely love that it's in travel size, because now I have one that I can take with me when I am traveling. So that's really fun. The next ones are the Fusion Plex. So we got a mask and a conditioner from the Wella Fusion Plex. I have actually not gotten to try these before, so I really like the smell. Wella always has that really, I don't know, the smell of their things are always just like super on point. So both of these actually smell really incredible. Again, love that they're travel size. Throw these in our bags, be able to go. A mask is never a bad thing to have with you, especially if you are doing a quick trip and you know that you're going to either be taking photos or on camera or something like that. It's always nice to give your hair just a little extra something to it. And then from Nioxin, they gave us the Scalp Therapy Conditioner. You guys can't really see that super well. And the Cleanser Shampoo. Both of these I have tried before. Both of these I super love. Nioxin is a really great brand. I feel like when I had really short hair, I was using Nioxin a lot because I was really wanting to get my long hair back. And so this brand in general is great, but I love the Cleanser Shampoo because I feel like it really gets my hair clean. And not only that, but it gets my scalp clean. And sometimes I feel like the product buildup gets a little intense because dry shampoo is definitely my best friend, and getting my scalp clean is definitely a big deal. So that is really awesome if you guys have never tried Nioxin. Again, another brand that I super recommend to try. Everything that they have is great and the products actually work. And how do you think I got my hair to grow out from me shaving my head many, many years ago to now? Nioxin has definitely been a friend of mine in this process. So really excited to get my hands on some of that again. And then some of my favorite stuff is in here. So dry shampoo is always my favorite thing to get in a swag bag because this I definitely go through often and quickly, and I use this all the time. But we also have a root shoot from the Wella line and the Precise Root Mousse, and then the Dry Me dry shampoo from the line. Again, travel sizes. Love these so much. Throw these in your bag, get on the road and go. Dry shampoo, never have enough of. And then they also threw in here their System Professional Creative Care Instant Energy Dry Conditioner. Dry conditioners are a little bit newer to me. I have used them before. I don't think I was always super in love with them, but as dry conditioners have kind of come a little bit of a longer way in time, I have definitely come to love and appreciate a dry conditioner. I feel like they really add quite a bit of that shine and softness back into the hair, which you can tend to lose sometimes with the dry shampoos because they tend to dry your root out. That's the point. We're getting rid of the oil and the shine and those kind of things. We're trying to skip the wash days a little bit more. Dry conditioners will add in that softness and that shine and that prettiness that our hair kind of will start to lack once it gets a little gross and oily and kind of nasty. So this is really fun. I've never tried this one myself before, but we're going to give that a try. The System Professional Creative Care Instant Energy Dry Conditioner. So very excited to get our hands on that. Now, I know I went through that kind of quickly. I wanted to show you guys all the products. Most of you are probably aware of all of the really incredible Wella line OPI GHD the Coty brand has to offer. The thing that I want to show you guys the most, which is probably my favorite thing I got in this, is this book. Full of inspiration, full of some of my favorite hairdressers, some of your favorite hairdressers, and I want to show you guys page by page because I have looked through this book on more than one occasion now, and I cannot seem to put this down, and I keep finding myself going back to it and looking at it and just being inspired by the hair and the hairdressers and everything that's in it. So I really wanted to give you guys kind of this up close and personal look at this Wella lookbook. So already on the front, beautiful imagery, beautiful blonde. Opening it up, you have your Wella kind of statement in the front here, what they believe in, some of the different things you're going to find inside. So number one kind of goes over some of the things that they innovate. So it kind of started 1980s, the movement. Again, the beautiful blonde from the very front and some of the different products. And then it goes over some of the EME things. So these were created using the EME line. Beautiful imagery, beautiful collections, beautiful hair, all ages, all hair types, all hair textures. kind of moving on in their timeline. Again, the imagery is just absolutely beautiful. The hair is absolutely beautiful. So next, so Nioxin. So again, they're showing all of the different lines, kind of going over all of their different things. I just really love all of the imagery that has come out of it. And my favorite thing is that I know most of these hairdressers that have created these looks, which I think is why I love it so much, because we have had the pleasure of getting to know a lot of them over the years. So when you get to see their things in print like this, it's actually really exciting. So kind of moving through all of the different lines. Kind of talking about all of the different stuff, showing you some of the different tools. This is all the GHD products. And I know that there's a huge debate out there about when it comes to hot tools. If there's not a temperature gauge on it, we shouldn't be buying it as professionals. But something that I have learned from GHD is that they have found what that precise temperature is that can be used on all hair types, depending on how long you hold it on there, how quickly you go through the hair. 360 degrees is that perfect number. So their tools don't have the heat dial on it. All of their tools are created at that 360 degree mark, and it's learning how long to process the hair using the tool is what's going to actually create it, the texture, the style, or the straightness or the softness of everything. So that's something that's really cool. So don't kind of turn your eye away from GHD because it doesn't have the dial on it. Actually give it a try and use their things because they're really, really incredible. So kind of going through a little bit more of this imagery. And it gets better. Alright, so the thing I really want to show you guys. So they go over the hairdressers at heart. And they kind of talk about all of those things, how they're elevating the craft together and their commitment to that and mentorship. Okay. So we're getting to it. Okay, so here's Trend Vision and What's Next Awards. So a little bit of history from some past things, a little bit of our favorite hairdressers showing up, some of our favorite hair from past shows. This is my favorite page and the one that I keep finding myself coming back to again and again. So it has artists like Brenton Lee and Michael Haas and Anthony Kress. Really beautiful imagery from so many of our favorite hairdressers. Some of the more iconic style of things where when you look at it, you know that that's something from Sebastian, or you know that that's something from Trend Vision or from Wella, or some of those like really classic stylings. And then the very last page, very simple. But I really wanted you guys to be able to look at this. Super fun, super exciting. Finishes off with another beautiful imagery. Beautiful hair. I just really wanted to show you guys everything that was in this book because I found it really inspiring, and I always feel like when we can, especially when we see things from our friends and from our fellow hairdressers and just like these really beautiful classic images, it can really help kind of inspire you to do other stuff. So just wanted to show you guys all of the fun products that came in it, and loving that it's travel size. And again, make sure you guys go check out GHD. Really awesome company, really awesome tools. Really excited that we got some fun stuff to be able to show you guys. And make sure that you check out our other unboxing videos. Find out some new products, maybe some new brands and lines that you guys haven't heard of before. Thanks for watching. Bye.